Your MacBook screen probably looks good out of the box, but this is Apple's default color profile on the left, and this is my custom calibrated profile on the right. It's the same display, same wallpaper, but once you calibrate it properly, colors look more natural, shadows are cleaner, and it's just easier on your eyes. In this video, I'll show you how to use built-in Display Calibrator to get results like this, and how you can always switch back if you don't like it. By the way, my accent is a bit thick, so if you want, subtitles are turned on and they work quite well. Alright, let's fix the display. The Display Calibrator is a little bit hidden. On my Mac, it lives inside the ColorSync folder, like you see here. You need to hold the Option key before opening this program, because holding the Option key will give you extreme options, it's called. When it opens, you'll see the Display Calibrator Assistant. We are going to keep this really simple. Just follow the steps it gives you. On each screen, it will ask you to adjust things so the Apple logo or the shape in the middle blends into the background. For gamma, you can leave it on the recommended standard value. That's perfectly fine for YouTube, photos and everyday use. For white point, again, stick with the suggested option unless you really know you want warmer or cooler image. At the end, it will ask you to give this profile an A. After you saved your profile, there is one extra program where you can check the profiles that you just created or created for different scenarios. Here you can see your display listed under devices and the profile you just created. Also, there is one extra setting which will increase the contrast. It's in Settings, Accessibility and Display. Here you can see there is a slider that you can increase for the increased contrast amount. So here is one last look. On the left is the default profile and on the right is calibrated profile we just made. Same MacBook, very different feel and looking. If this helped, feel free to like the video so more Mac users can find it, and subscribe if you want more real-world Mac tips and long-term user reviews. Thanks for watching, enjoy your freshly calibrated display, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!